Hello, and welcome again to Gifted in Space. Once every 3 years, the crew of Starship Mayfield renews its planetary scout badges by participating in an event called Interim Report. For Interim Report, the crew is flown by the Planetary Scout Badge Committee to a forsaken planet. There, the crew spends an intensive week meant to promote team building, trust, and a sense of accomplishment. The event rarely achieves any of its goals because the crew is under constant surveillance the whole time. So while everyone would like to complain, they instead talk about teamwork, pride, and determination so they can get their badges and go back to life as usual. The crew of the Starship Mayfield flew at the speed of light toward the far reaches of the galaxy. After all, planet Emmie had only recently been discovered and so named after a cheerleader by the same name died in the past month from a severe knee sprain that was improperly braced. On their way, they received their mission for the week, to explore the far reaches of planet Emmie and to learn to synergize their spaceship by rotating everyone's roles. The badge committee assigned Elena the role of captain, Patrick as special helper, Jade as first mate, Abby as lieutenant, and Evan as admiral. Okay, first things first, Elena said once the crew landed. Let's find where the cute guys are hanging out. I offer my assistance as special helper, Patrick said. I anticipated your first command on the way here and constructed a heat map of the planet, which should lead us to where hot guys are as determined by international standards, or as the natives might say, where the people are chillin', yo. Special helper, the committee watching all of this said. Yes, Evan said. It's sir, not yes, Jade said, reminding Evan of his role. Not you, the other special helper, the captain. I'm the captain, Delana said. No, we meant the regular captain. Captain that's now special helper. Yes, Evan said. It's not yes, it's sir, Jade reminded Evan. It's not you, Evan, the committee replied. Patrick, you are violating your role on the team when you provide good information. I thought the nature of special helper would be one who helps, Captain Patrick replied. Have you been paying attention to any of the people on your adventures? The committee asked. Not very much, Captain replied. Sorry, I'll develop a tendency chart of when to help and when not to. The committee gave up at this point and let the group continue. Delana instructed the group to follow her nose as she led them on the trail for cute guys. Along the way, she tried to mentor Abby, telling her how a lieutenant would handle the role. There's no Abby in the word team, Abby, clearly not having fun on the team-building trip, said. However, there are the same number of letters in Abby that are in team that are in mate, as in that you are the first of, Captain said, before being disciplined by the badge committee for helping. Again. Look, sir, Jade said, before Abby reminded Jade that she should be disrespectful of the captain. Jade never finished her thought, finding herself incapable of referring to an authority figure as anything other than sir, even when it's part of an exercise. Had Jade continued, she would have been able to tell the group that there were fresh tread marks on the ground. The very evil trucker Kinsey had been there, and roadkill was fresh.